Etude to practice how to play in the key of D minor, deal with the flats, also play arpeggios up and down, in tune, obviously, and also bow distribution. So Wohlfahrt is very clear here where we need to be using full bow and also half bow and very little bow. So you need to be really clear which one is which. So make sure you take a look at that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.